Pred kratkim je Slovenijo obiskal Ringu Tulku Rinpoče, ki je k nam prišel na povabilo budističnega centra Palpung Slovenija. Budistični menih, ki živi v Indiji, je že večkrat obiskal Slovenijo in predaval o budističnem učenju in o meditaciji.
We are going through a text by one great Tibetan master called Gampopa, and we are going through what we call 6 paramitas. That is actually about how to become a really good human being. At the moment we went through first 3 paramitas about the generosity, how to develop generosity and understanding or way of giving, helping each other, and then how to live your life in a way that is good for you and good for everybody else.
Sočutje je zelo pomemben del budističnega učenja, vendar ta vsebuje tudi druge elemente.
Diligence in Buddhist terms means delight in doing positive things, being joyful in doing something good. And this, we talk about laziness, 3 kinds of laziness and things like that. And then we talk about meditation. And then we talk about wisdom, which is try to see things clearly and fully and directly about ourselves and everything else, which we understand is a very important thing.
Ringu Tulku Rinpoče je poudaril, da so ljudje, ki pri nas pridejo na predavanja, zelo dobro seznanjeni z budističnim učenjem.
But this is not about accepting Buddhism. This is about, more about reflecting about life and try to think yourself what is the best for me and how to do that. Buddhism is always like that. It's not too much accepting Buddhism. It's about way of reflecting.